one. Let's see who it is. Maybe a package. Wow, a Ryan Ward's package. Let's take it aside and open it. Let's use the side, but before we open it, I want to give you a huge thank you to Ryan's Ward for sending me this package for free. Thank you so much. Now let's use the side. Whoa. Whoa, what do we have here? This one is called Road Trip Little Mystery Egg. This is so cool, and it's small, super tiny. These are like little collectibles. I think you can collect these. Let's see what else we have in here. This one's super huge. This one is the Mystery Art Egg. Let's see what we get. Right here it kind of tells you what you get. Markers and these. I really need these because I love drawing. Let's see what else we have. Ooh, this is a big suitcase full of toys. Let's see what this is. Road trip. This is another road trip one. And this one's a big little suitcase that could fit so much clothes in here. Let's see what else we have in here. Ooh. What's this? Is this Las Vegas? Because it's a little alien. Area 51. Let's see what else we have in here. We have California, the Gold State. And I live in California. He looks like he's ready for the summer. I am to go swimming. Let's see what goes. We also have this, another one little road trip flying bag. These all look super cute. Ooh. And we have one more thing in here. We have this little letter. This little note. Let me read it. Hi friend, Ryan from Ryan's World. I hope you enjoy these road trip toys. Each figure represents a different state. I'm having so much fun learning something about the United States. I just have to share some fun facts with you. Did you know that the state motto is Eureka, a Greek word that means I have found it? The motto refers to the discovery of gold in 1849 in Sierra Nevada. I hope you have fun collecting these road trip toys and learning a little about each state. Ryan. That's cool. Maybe I should go on a road trip. Where should I go? Hawaii, because I always want to go to Hawaii. Come on, let's go. We made it to Hawaii, and I brought my suitcase. Time to open it. Which one should we open first? Let's take off my hat. Let's open these two first. They look super cool. I love this a lot. Time to just open it up. We have a little alien Ryan. He's gonna blast off to space. That's his little trail. Let's see what else we have in here. We have like this sticker or maybe a tattoo. Time to open the other one where he's ready for summer. This one looks super cool. He's like, let's go surfing. Gnarly. And we have, I think these are tattoos or maybe stickers. We'll soon find out. Let's save this one for last because it's super big. Let's open this one. So here's our collector's poster. It's super big and awesome. And we finally know what these are for. Ready to show you? Be amazed. In the back right here, these don't have any color. So when you collect them, you put on the sticker and you know which one you have. And it's gonna be super cool. I really want the little Statue of Liberty one. So let me show you who we got. We got this one. So he's from Virginia. He looks like George Washington. Ryan George Washington. And this one's from Vermont. And he's see-through. He's like this brown see-through color. Let's open the big one, my travel case. Ooh. Let's see how much I get in here. Look how big it is. Right here it has Ryan's face. It says road trip. Time to open it. We open it super cool. Open it like this. There's so much in here. We're gonna save this one for last because that one looks like a really huge one. This is a display. No wonder they have this. So it just goes like this. And you can display your dolls there.
Oh, wow.
Let's see who I get. Hopefully we got the New York one and the the ultra rare. Where's the tear strip? Right here. Who did we get? This is Gus, and he's in Kansas. Look how cute he looks. He looks like a little flower. Let's put him over here with our little Ryans. Time to open the second one. Come on, New York one. We're looking for you. Ooh, we have this cute little penguin. He looks like a little apple. He has some cute little glasses on. Let's see what we have. We have another alien, but that's okay. Time to open our next one. Whoa, here's Pet the Penguin, but he's see-through. He looks like he has a little diamond. Fancy. Look, he's see-through. He has a diamond right there. On to our next one. This is the Triceratops. It's right here. Whoa, which one is this? Oh, it's Ryan. He looks like he fixes cars. I work at a job. Let's see who else we got. Silly me. We have another Gus. He's from North Dakota. He's a little babe. Buzz, buzz. 2 Gus's. Open this one next. Where's the tear strip? Here it is. Whoa! Oh no! Ryan down! We have this little Captain Ryan, who's super windy. We have this little Captain Ryan. Let's open our next one to see who we get. We have this Ryan little pilot. Here. Whoa, we're almost to the big one. Let's see what this is. Oh, we have another one of these. But that is okay. Put him next to his little twin right here. 2 more left. Actually, 1 more left and we get to go to the big one. Oh, another one of this one, but that's okay. I love the see-through ones. They're so cool. Last one. Please be the New York one. Ooh. Oh, he looks like he's at the little mini golf court. We have so much on to the very big one. Ooh, we have this one too with all the ones that we got. Then what's in here? This is super big. Maybe a small one of the suitcase? We don't know. Where's the tear strip? It's right here. Oh, it's a little Ryan toy with your little car. You know who we need to put inside. He works for cars, and he's gonna drive a car. Vroom, vroom. Let's see how it works. Maybe we just push it here, and
Woo!
he went a little too far. I found this one. Let's open it. Oh. He looks like he works for a little business. Right here we have the Ryan car, so let's make him go to Hawaii. Bye, minis. Hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure to go check out my other videos where I'm going to be opening the other 2 eggs.